Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on a 2004 Acura TL. We're going to be replacing the brake light switch. This is what the brake light switch looks like on this Acura TL. And it has a plastic nut, which looks like that. It's a wing nut, so you shouldn't need any tools to do this. The tools you're going to need: a good flashlight for this one. There's a panel that is on underneath of this, and you grab a hold of it and actually pull down this one. This guy has some accessories installed in there, so I'm going to be careful removing this out, but you don't need any tools to pull this down. I'm going to hold it up here and put the camera down and remove this. So what you'll have to do is follow your brake pedal up, and you can see the switch right there. It's got a little plastic connector on the back. My suggestion is to push down like you're connecting the connector first, then press the release on the back side. You can't see the back side of the release right now, but you press the back side of the release down and then pull back out. I'm going to go ahead and do this. So to remove this, after you've removed your plug, you just simply twist this, and you'll twist it one way, you'll feel it half lock, and you can just slide your brake switch out. To put it back in, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to slide it back into the holder and just twist it back. I would recommend putting the new nut in. You can see I've installed the clip back on, which simply just pushes in to the back of it and locks, and then put the switch itself back into the holder. You want to make sure you seat it till the little white tip you'll see that comes out presses onto it, so that makes sure that your brake lights aren't on, and whenever you press this, it releases and opens the switch and your brake lights come on. The reason why we replaced that on this car is I was driving behind it, and the third brake light and the tail lights were flickering, and I could tell he was hitting the brakes because the car was actually diving as he was coming to a stop. So I let him know, and luckily he doesn't live too far away, so we're doing this tonight. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe, and put a comment down below on something else you'd like to see. Thanks, and have a great day.